Okay. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why YouTube just did not want to cooperate. All right. But we're back in now. Yeah, sorry, Jared. I actually had viewers yesterday on YouTube, so I felt like I needed to get YouTube up and running. Okay, let's get back to the level system. Goodness. Okay. So this is another thing we need in level system. My LSP disconnected. Great. We need this. It'll just be world and level. Okay, so yeah, now everything's just indexed, and so we can just say we can just say right here level system dot go to level, although apparently not everything has saved. Let's make sure. Why is my LSP just... Alright, whatever. And this will be world 0 or 1 and level 0. Okay, and we do have a level 8 now, right? Oh, we don't need these anymore. That's funny. Yeah. All right. So now, did that just work? That's the question. It worked. Although it was a little slow. Is it because of the animation? Have I just missed that before? Yeah, I feel like in these ones... No, it is the same. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm just making things up. It's not slower. All right. So that worked. So next is to change how it works between levels. And so we're actually going to completely change this file. Because right now it needs to know the level number. But we can do that differently now. We can have the reset still work. But now, complete level, so this will be different. It won't be global. We will just comment it for now. Instead, we delete this, and we go level system dot go to next level. Except I don't know why it's not auto-completing for me. Oh, I know why. It's because I need a class name on this. Huh? Is that just not true? It's not true. Yeah, why is it? Weird. Maybe the LSP is broken on here, but whatever. The important part is, so now we need to add the complete level thing. When we had that old level system, was level 1, was level 0 0? I can't remember. Let's look at the diff. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so level 0 would have had 0 in it. Okay. So yeah, now level system should be able to just call oh yeah, let's do this. If not next level, then next level equals not preload. What would it be? We'll just do this. Get tree. Dot change scene to file. Just like that, and then else. And actually, I don't like this because I don't like not. If I can avoid it. Okay. So if next level, then we do global. Well, actually, no. No matter what, we should do global dot complete level, and it is right now. It'll just be the level number. So current level index plus 1. Oh. Although we need to change the current level index when we do this, huh? So actually current level index plus equals 1. I didn't realize I had messed that up earlier. Hi, Columbugo. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Columbugo? Columbugo. I don't know. What's up? Just call me Bug. I like it. What's up, Bug? All right. Hey, just a little intro. I'm working on a new game. So I released my game Droppy Ball on Steam. You can go buy it for $1. But I competed in a game jam, and my team liked working together. So we're gonna try to release this one on Steam as well. This is a pretty cool puzzle game called Loop Cell, and I'm working on the level system right now. All right. I think actually this probably just belongs at the top. Oh no, except it'd be here. Nope, it'd be here. Yeah, just at the top. Have you made bank? No, I have not made bank. But that wasn't the goal. The goal was to learn. This is the game that I made is just a very simple physics ball dropping clone. How many Chipotle burritos? That's the real question. I think I'm up to 3 now. I think I'm triple burrito status at this point. But yeah, I just wanted to learn how to make a game, first of all, and the process of putting it up on the store. And so actually, here, let's go. Is it this one right here? So on my channel, I did a series where I put the Steam page up, and like the things that you wouldn't know, like you wouldn't normally know about making a Steam page, I found all of them. So that's an interesting series if you want to go check it out. But yeah, making games is definitely a big passion of mine. Marketing is not. You loved that series. Oh, you watched it. At least half a burrito for sure. Yeah. All right. I think this is good to go. I think we're in a good spot where we can test this. Sweet. I found a real fan. Oh, this is funny. Okay. They should actually all just work. I didn't realize that. Okay. So, level system takes me to level 1. Does it take me to level 2? Nope. It takes me to level 1 again. Let's see what's going on here. So we get the current world or current level index, which should be 0. Oh, maybe that's the issue, is that when I go to a level, I need to set current world equal to 0. And then I complete the level. Oh, that's incorrect. Then I add 1. How well did your GMTK submission go? Let's check it out. So we got the way we're looking at it to feel good about ourselves is we got in the top 10% for most of the categories. And so here, I'll zoom in a little bit. Obviously, artwork was the highest because, I mean, look at this thing. It's gorgeous. But I'm extremely happy that we got like such a high enjoyment score. And yeah, you can go play this here. I'll link this in the chat. Okay. Yeah, you can go try it out. You can play it. It's a little buggy. We've already fixed most of the bugs, which is awesome. Like, for example, this. Boom. Just a nice little snap instead of glitching through the wall. Okay. Where was I? Next level. Current level index. Yeah, this... why am I doing this? I'm assigning the next level again? Was that just for testing? If not next level. Oh, I think this... I think this was supposed to be... No? I don't know why I had that there. But yeah, it was always taking me to level 0. Just odd. Alright, let's try it again. That works. And level 2. Alright, level system acquired. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So now the fun thing we can do with this new level system is we can just be like, oh, actually, I think that level 5, or, well, okay, let's just try it with one of these first levels. I think that level 2 is easier than level 1. So now we can just move it right there. And so now it won't be level 2 here, it'll be this one. So that's pretty cool. We just drag and drop. Although we do need to come up with names. Maybe that can be my next step. Here, let's commit that real quick. And then yeah, let's start renaming my levels. So level 0 can obviously okay, actually, I mean I've got McKay and Jared in here, yeah? What do you guys want to do for level names? Maybe I can put this in the chat too. Initial thoughts are Articuno. Oh, I like that. We could do Pokemon names. Monferno. And then Cool Hat Bro. Okay, initial thoughts are just unique attributes. of the level, or we could name them on a theme, like Pokemon names. That way we can subcategorize zones by Pokemon type. Could get you in trouble. No, it's internal. You can't get in trouble for internal names. Level 1 fire types. Yeah, let's see if most dog responds. Oh, thought they might be public. No. Nope. Ideally, I mean, do we want to have, like, for example, level 0? Would we want it to say, like, levels, like, cell block 0 on the floor at all? I think that might be too hard. I mean, it would look pretty nice, I think, but I think that's too hard. And then with this level system, it'd be a lot more difficult. Although I guess we could maybe make it dynamic, and the label could just use the index. All right, we'll leave it for now. Let's see. Yeah, let's just move on. I'm just gonna push this up. All right. Jared, can I get an approval? Although I might need to pull master. Have you made changes? Nope. Okay. Let's make sure I'm not out of date. Yeah, I'm good. Approved. All right, thanks. Oh yeah, do you want to go over those changes? We could go over them right now. I'm pretty okay with that, because I've got to hop off somewhat soon. So let's go master. And your branch is Boss NAS Lighting and Environment. Is that the one? Let me check. I can look at the merge requests. It is, oh, it's level design, okay. What? Oh yeah, my level system's not there anymore. That's right. Okay, so I remember looking at the, was it the Hatterene file? Yeah, the Hatterene file. So up here, No, hit effect. Hit effect is so these are packed scenes, and so like I could see this being useful if you wanted to be like changing between a couple scenes, like trying like one of them out. Like if you had multiple hit effects and you wanted to like see which one looks the best like pretty quickly, you could just drag and drop. But I would actually recommend that these be on ready, and then you can just do preload. Okay, what was it called? Hit effect. No. Res Hattering. We'll just type this for now. Oh no, it's Hattering slash Hattering hit effect. My autocomplete is failing me. Yo, I heard you did not work at Blizzard for 7 years. It's true. I did not work at Blizzard for 7 years. Oh, FX. That's what I'm looking for. Boom. All right, so you just do this and then you can call it the same way. On ready. And then I recommend on readies stick together, signals stick together, exports stick together. This is real cool. I want to see more of this type of content, please. I'll have to check this game out. Yeah, you can check the game out. Here, I'll put the link in the stream again, and I will pin it this time. How do I pin it? There we go. So we did this for a game jam, and we're gonna keep working on it and release it on Steam eventually. All right, so we should update the game. Yeah, we probably should. I can maybe work on that in a sec. Let's just get through this code review real quick. So Hattering, or no, which one is this one? Yeah, Hattering trail effects. Yes, that is correct. I did not type that right. Okay, so now, I mean, it should be used the exact same way. So instantiate works the same way. This one right here was another point. So sprite trail, like what we can do, is this just on the Hattering scene? Yeah, so sprite trail. You can just do access as unique name. And then you can get rid of this. And anywhere it says sprite trail, actually, let's just do a little macro here. Sprite trail, we can just change it to %sprite trail. So yes, yes. So now it just looks like this. Because yeah, like if you do any sort of like one of these where you're like indexing it, those paths can change. Second level, bottom right corner, your character gets a little stuck if you hit the wall. Oh, we are well aware that it was quite buggy. I think most of those have been fixed now. Let's check. Is it this right here or? Yeah, yep, I'm stuck. Okay, maybe it's not fixed. Ah! But you can always press R, by the way. Press R to reset. Yeah, the itch page is still the game jam version of the game. Good call out. Okay. What was my next comment on this? So Sprite Trail was an interesting thing you did. I need to look into this. Because this right here is throwing up all sorts of red flags for me. So what does this scene look like? No, this isn't even a scene. Hatterang Anim Sprite. How is that even working? Like, I think what this means is that you're assuming that Hatterang Anim Sprite will exist on whatever component Sprite Trail is a part of. And Sprite Trail is also just a normal node. So it's not even doing positional data for you. And so can you explain maybe a little bit what this is doing? It seems like you want 25 Sprite Trails, or is it just that it plays 25 times? And I don't mean Sprite Trails, I mean like the... Here, let's look at it and see what it does. Yeah, so I'm assuming that it just like plays 25 times or something. Is that what it is? Oh, that was weird. I've got 2 hats. $25 is the pool number. Gotcha. So you're pooling sprites. All right, so set up sprite array. If it's active, yeah, so I think basically what's happening here is that you wanted a scene that could handle some logic so that our Hatterang script doesn't get too big. Right? I guess it's already 200 lines long. It's a little big. I guess I don't really have an issue with this, but I do have an issue with these. And so I would just do export Hatterang. Hatterang. I always do. I always forget the var. And then Hatterang sprite. This will be an animated sprite 2D. And so this would be anim sprite. Easy enough. Let's get rid of some extra lines. And then, yeah, I think So now how you would use this is just in here, you're going to have this. And so you'll just drag the Hattering in here and the sprite in here as well. And then let's be a little bit more descriptive. So right here, we'll do, we can just do a const. Actually, is const a thing? I can't remember. Yeah, const. Const pool size. Just so that people can kind of know what it's doing. Oh, except for constants should be screaming case. And then this one, like setup sprite array, is not very descriptive, and so I would do like setup sprite pool, or even like fill sprite pool. Set active. That's fine. Process if sprite trail active. Yeah, we can just do active here and then get rid of this because it's just a direct setter, right? And so now, oh, and if you give this a class name of sprite trail, then now in the Hattering file where we're calling sprite trail set active, you can just do active equals what am I doing? Dot active. Okay. So yeah, that's just like all these things that I'm doing are kind of nitpicks, but they're also like just a little bit more scalable. Like when I did this, it makes it so that we don't have to drag the scene in, and sometimes like scenes will get disconnected and stuff. So this prevents like nulls. And then yeah, getting rid of that sprite trail with the path access is good because path access can change when you change your paths. And then, yeah, on the sprite trail, I just added a reference here so that you don't have to do path access or parent access. You can just drag and drop it so it has a direct reference. And then, yeah, just being descriptive. So, yeah, actually, this is another one. Maybe this should be the sprite pool. Because we already know it's an array, right? New sprite. That's a good name. Yeah, these are all fine. So, oh, also, actually, no. This right here. This is already a Boolean, right? Is empty. And so you don't want to check against false. You want to do if not empty, right? Because this is already truthy. And so if you're checking, you want this to run on the false case, then use not. And then also because there's nothing else going on here, you can do if active and not sprite pool is empty and get rid of some indenting. So yeah, there we go. Little code review. Let's see, was there any other stuff that I pointed out? Oh yeah, there's a comment in Hattering FX. We don't need that comment. Did I leave any other comments? Nope, that's it. Okay. Did I do anything that seemed like magical or like confusing? No, makes total sense. I just need to learn proper coding via text. I'm so used to blueprints in UE5. Cool. Yeah. Yep, I am happy to help. Anytime. Actually, I might say that we don't need that. Yeah, if you need to like know what a function does, you can like click on it. So like you can control click and it'll take you to the documentation. So we don't need like that comment there that says what this function does. You can just click on it. Root add child. This is interesting. You're adding the sprite to the root of the tree. I think maybe, can you not just add it to the, can you not just add it to the, oh wait, or is this a signal? No, it's not. Can we do hattering.addChild? Does that change stuff? Seems good. Ooh. I just saw that like exploding particle effect for the first time. That's sweet. Oh, but we're gonna need to change the hitbox on this box real quick. Actually, you know what? I did change it in my branch. Yeah, I think that works just fine. Let's see if I can... Oh. Okay, yeah. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, I would not recommend attaching things to the root of the tree. I don't think we need to do that. This right here might be a problem. Because you're calling await in the process, which means that it will lag for a 20th of a second. So we should probably do this. I think it's just that. And then so that this runs at the end of the timer. Let's make sure that that's true. Because yeah, that's kind of I think that's a bad thing to do. Okay, I don't think that affected anything. Or wait, what is this? If active and not sprite pool is empty, yeah, okay. The trail isn't working. Really? Get... What did I miss? Was I just not seeing it before? Oh, interesting. And is so the trail is just another copy of the hat, right? Is that right? Okay. It needs to be set in the world space. Okay. All right. Well, fair enough. Fair enough. Did I break things with this one too? Oh. Okay, whatever. Did this break things too, or does it look the same? Yeah, I think that looks the same. Oh, oops. Yeah, I think that's the same. Looks right now. Okay. Yeah, so this process node is like it has to get it's each frame, right? And so it has to get through the process node to get to the next frame. And so if you're pausing if you're like awaiting for 0.2 seconds, then that frame will take at least 0.2 seconds. So anyway, that was just a change that I wanted to make. And then let's combine. So let's do code reviewed. And we will get master. Make sure that that's up to date. It is. All right, there's a conflict in the level system. Why? Is it because I accidentally opened it? Okay, so head. That should fix it. Were there any other conflicts? Nope. All right, let's try. Let's see what happens when I do that. Okay. Yeah, it seems to be working. Level system. Working. And you get stuck right here. Interesting. Okay. Well, that's all done. Okay, so what changed here? Okay, it's adding a UID to these. Oh, it's changing the UID on that one though. Okay. Push this back up. We'll give it an approval and we'll merge it in. Oh. Looks like you have to merge it, Jared. Never mind. I can merge it now all of a sudden. I don't know. It just took a sec, I guess. Okay, merged. So yeah, you'll just have to pull master and work off of that. And you'll be good to go. All right, well, that's going to be it for me today. I'll see y'all tomorrow.